Model, 70-plate Ford Transit 350-litre Ecoblue low loader ready to work smiling face BARGAIN money mouth face runs like a dream ULEZ compliant, Motorway miles partying face BARGAIN smiling face with open hands. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 173940. MOT, the 29th of September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. If you drive the van in a normal gesture in the gears drives completely fine. However, if you downshift from third to second gear pops out. Van can be still used in a normal way open mouth smile bargain. Condition summary, perfect for business use zany face, don't let the miles put you off. Motorway miles bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean.